This time, let's take a look at the production process of soy sauce. This is a soy sauce factory that uses black beans as the main ingredient. First, the selected black beans are soaked in water to fully absorb moisture and expand. They are then placed into a high-pressure reaction kettle, allowing the proteins in the beans to partially denature, which helps facilitate the subsequent fermentation process. The cooked soybeans are then placed in bamboo sieves to cool. Once the black beans reach room temperature, and everything is mixed evenly for fermentation, workers spread the black beans evenly on bamboo mats and place them in the fermentation room. During this period, the temperature and humidity in the room need to be carefully controlled to promote the growth and reproduction of the microorganisms. After the fermentation is complete, the beans are put into a cleaning machine to remove any mold on the surface, and then rinsed several times with clean water. After properly drying off excess moisture, the beans are transferred to a large earthenware jar for fermentation, and the surface is sealed tightly with a lid. And after about a month of fermentation, the proteins and starches in the black beans will break down into amino acids and sugars, evaporating excess water to increase the soy sauce's concentration. The boiled soybeans are then strained and filtered. The soy sauce still remains in the soybean residue. A press is used to extract the remaining soy sauce, which is then heated and sterilized together, and a bottle of traditionally made soy sauce is ready.